So today I'm just going to do a video on HP EliteBook Dragonfly that was received or sent by Title 3. So the purpose of this video is simply just going to show you how to export and import the hardware hash and get a group tag out as well. So what I've done here is upload to PowerShell, just by pushing Shift F10, and you can see there's PowerShell at the top. Type in set-executionpolicy, unrestricted, false. Next up, type in install-script get-windowsautopilotinfo. Press enter. Since I've already done this already, just with installing the prompts, I'll select yes for all three of them. This time I'll just type in get-windowsautopilotinfo and .ps1 -GroupTag. In here, I'm just going to type in hybrid AADJ join -online, and this will go through the same phase where I log in with my credits and I log in with my password. And obviously it needs MFA approval. It prompts me for approval, as you can see, approve. So now it's connected to our tenant. It'll start waiting to import. And what I'll show you next is where that serial number is going to be imported to with the group tag. It does take a while, so I'll just keep quiet for a bit. So you can tell that the device was imported. So next we type in, so just to make sure that we are actually on the right path, we're going to simply check the serial number to make sure that the actual device is actually there. So what I'm going to do is simply in the same field is type in WIM bars get serial number. So you can tell that's 5C something. So if I type in, so I'm just going to bring this over and just to show you that it's 5CG0. So let me bring that over here. And what I'm going to just type in here is 5C0. And oops, what is it? And you can see that there's one right there. It's called HP Elite Dragonfly. So right there with hybrid Azure AADJ. It's actually going to default to the Azure by default, but eventually that'll get picked up. So once this is assigned, so it's still updated at the moment, so once it's assigned, it will actually get picked up. And I'll kick off the next video later. Thanks.